How to turn off auto delete messages on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off auto delete messages on Telegram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Telegram application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to your account. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner and select settings option. Under Settings, select Privacy and Security options. Under Security, you will get option of Auto Delete Messages. Choose it, and for now it has been chosen to after 1 day. If enabled, all new messages and chats you start will automatically be deleted for everyone after 1 day. To turn it off, select Off. Now it has been disabled and all the messages in chats will not delete for everyone after any of those days. So this way you can easily turn off auto delete messages on Telegram. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.